So good morning students. So let us start the session. In previous class, we discussed about path products and path expressions. In today class, we are going to discuss about reduction procedure. Reduction procedure. So what is reduction procedure? So reduction procedure is nothing but converting a flow graph whose links are labeled with names into a path expression that denotes the set of all entry and exit paths in that flow graph. So what is path reduction? What is path reduction procedure means? In this procedure, you are going to convert a flow graph. So for example, so this is the flow graph whose links are labeled with names. Here, these are the A, D, so all these are the labels. Now you can convert this flow graph into path expression. This is converted into the path expression that denotes the set of all entry and exit paths in that flow graph. Okay, now so for that reduction, we have one algorithm. The procedure is a node by node removal algorithm. In this, we have 8 steps. So first we are going to discuss about all these 8 steps. Then we are going to see one example program for reduction. So first one is initialization steps. Initialization steps. So this is the second one, third one. What is the first one? Combine all serial links by multiplying their path expressions. So combine all serial links. So combine all serial links multiplying their expressions. So this is the first step. Second step, combine all parallel links by adding their path expressions. So third one, remove all self loops, remove all self loops and replace with links of the form x asterisk. Okay, so these are the first initialization steps. In first step, you are going to combine all serial links by multiplying their path expression. In our previous class, we discussed about the serial links. Now, so combine these serial links by multiplying their path expression. Okay, so next one, so combine all serial links by multiplying their path expression is nothing but we are going to combine like this. For example, so this is the node 1, node 2, node 3. So these are the links. Let us assume these are the links. Okay. Now, so combine all serial links by multiplying their path expressions. What it means? It is the AB, ABC. So two links we have, two different paths. Now you can combine all these links by multiplying their path expression. These are the first path expression. This is the second path expression. And next one, combine all parallel links by adding their path expression. Is there any parallel links like this? So this is the parallel. So C and D and B are the parallel links. Now, so combine all parallel links by adding their path expression. In previous class, we see that so how we can manage the parallel links and remove all self loops and replace with links of the form x bar x asterisk. So that so self loop is nothing but like this. So for example, this is the D E. Now so remove all the self loops and replace with links of the form x asterisk. So these are the initialization steps. The remaining steps are in the algorithm in loop. So these are the initializations from So 4th to 8th steps are in the loop. Fourth step. So 4th step. Select a non-initial and non-final node. So what it means? Select a non-initial and non-final node. Initial node, in this example, the initial node is 1. What is the final node? 3 is the final node. And select in this 4 to 5, you are going to select one node. So replace it with a set of equivalent links whose path expression correspond to all the ways you can form a product of the set of in links with the set of out links of that node. Okay, so for example, so this is the 5. Now I want to reduce this 5. I want to delete this 5 and I can write B, F, G here. B, F, G. So replace it. Here I select the node 5. So 5 is non-initial and non-final node. And that 5, so replaced it with a set of equivalent links. What is the equivalent links here? F, G, whose path expression correspond to all the ways you can form a product of the set of in links. Now I give product these links. So now it is F. If you observe, this is the F and this is the G. Now I remove this link and write so BFG here. BFG here. Okay. So that is the 4th step. So first 3 are the initializations, and coming to step 4 to step 8 are in the loop. In that, the 4th step is select a non-initial and non-final node. That means so entry node and exit node we don't select. Okay, these are the entry node and exit node. And select a node and replace it with a set of equivalent links whose path expression correspond to all the ways you can form a product of the set of in links with set of out links. Okay, so next step is 5th step. Fifth step, combine any serial links by multiplying their expression. That means combine any remaining serial links by multiplying their path expressions. And after 4, you are going to select one node and you can change that as a equivalent links. After that, combine any serial links by multiplying their path expression. Okay, in our previous example, we combine, just wait, I will show you. So BFG, these are the 3 links. Now I combine as a BFG. That is the 5th step. And 6th step, so combine any parallel links. So combine any parallel links by adding their path expression. If there are any combined links, you are going to add that to the path expression. Second, remove all self loops. Remove all self loops. So this is the 5th point belongs to step 1. So this is the step 2. This is the step 3. In initialization also we are doing the same steps, but at that time we have all the nodes. Now after completion of the 4th step, maybe some node, one node will be deleted. Again these may be occur. Again we have serial links, maybe parallel links, maybe self loops. So these will be eliminated. Okay, if there is any serial links, combine that. If there are any parallel links, combine. If there are any self loops, remove. Okay, now 8th step, this is the last step. If there is just one node between entry and exit point, path expression for the flow graph is the link path expression. Else return to step 4. So what it means? So for example, so this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the expression. This is the link A, B, C, D, E, F, like this. Okay, let us assume. So this is the flow graph. Okay, so now in this, what is the entry node? The entry node is 1. The entry node is 1. What is the exit node? 5 is the exit node. 5 is the exit node. We reduct the nodes. We are going to remove the nodes until if there is just one node between, for example, 135, 135, then we stop this procedure. If there are 1345, then again you are going to move to the step 4. Again, the loop will be start from step 4. Okay, the procedure for reduction is, there is a algorithm. Now we discuss one more time. In first step, so combine all serial links by multiplying their path expressions. So first 3 steps are the initializations. So first 3 steps are the initializations. In this initialization, you are going to combine all serial links, simply saying, and second step, combine all parallel links. Third step, remove all the self loops. Okay, these are the first 3 steps. So in fourth step, you are going to select a node. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can select the selected node may not be first and last node. That means entry node and exit node. In remaining 2, 3, 4, in this 2, 3, 4, you are going to select one node and you are going to find the equivalent links, equivalent links in the path expression. Okay. After that, we remove this. For example, I select the 3. Now the 3 is removed and it is indicating like this, B, C. Now these are the serial links. Combine all the serial links. So combine any parallel links and remove all self loops. Okay. After this, you are going to check, is there only one node between entry node and exit node? If there is only one node, then stop the procedure. If there are more than one node, you are going to repeat the step 4 to 8. That's it. Okay. So this is about reduction procedure. Okay. So this is the example. I hope the diagram is visible to you. In this, so this is the initial flow graph. So this is the initial flow graph. Now we are going to apply the reduction procedure for this flow graph. So what is the first step? What is the first step? The first step is, so combine all the serial links, and that means that we are initializing. So combine all the parallel links, remove all self loops. And in fourth step, select a node for remove. Select a node for remove. That may not be starting node and ending node, entry node and exit node. Okay, in this case, we select the node 10. The node 10. Okay, now if you observe that the 10, if I remove this 10 means we got the connections links from 6th node. So the 6 is changed like this, I, L, I, L, and from 6 directly we move to 7. So it is I, M, I, M. Okay, so this is the reduction of 10. Here the 10 is removed. Okay, now what is the fifth step? Fifth step is a parallel links can be combined. So this is the parallel links, so combine. So IL and IM. And fifth step, is there any parallel edges, so parallel links, so that is also combined. Here there is no parallel links, so we execute only step 5 and there is no self loops. Okay, now this is the current flow graph. So this is the current flow graph after removing node 10. Okay, next, here the 9, just wait. So this is the in next iteration, we select node 9. So now, so how we can change this node? If I remove this, so this is the first one, 6 5. So directly you can write like this, I L H. Okay, and similarly 8, a link is coming from node 8 to 9, so it is right like this here we write KH, and we remove the 9. Okay, so this is the KH, ILH. Okay, in next iteration we select the node 7. Now we remove the 7. Okay, so this is the link J coming from 8 and it sends a link to the 3, so we connect like this and it is JF, and so from 6 directly we are moved to 3 without 7, then it is write as IMF. Now the flow graph like this, after removing of node 7, it seems like this. Okay, in next iteration we are going to select the node 8. Okay, apply the same algorithm. So 8, we get the input from 4, so this is the 4 2 3, so it is like this, GIF, sorry, GJF, okay, and so GKJ. Now, so this is the parallel loops. If you observe that, so C, GKH. So these two are the parallel loops. So we can write as a C plus GKH. And similarly, so this is the, we remove the 8. So from 4 to here, we write GIF. Now it seems like this, 1 3 4 5 6 2. Okay. In next iteration, we select the 4. Now 4 will be removed. Now, so how we can remove this? After removing of this, so this is the GIF 2, same. So this is the, if you observe that, so GIF 3, so we write B plus GIF. Okay, if we remove this, now the graph is like this. So there is a self loop. So BGIF, and so now we can write this expression, so path expression like this. So 1 3, so BGIF into B into C plus GKH. Okay, remaining everything is same. Now we are going to remove this 5. We select a node, so that is 5. Now if we remove this 5, if you observe, this is the 6 D, so this is the ILJ. Now so this is self loop and it is I, L, H, D. So remaining everything is same. And you add this D to the here. Okay. We remove the self loop of 6. Then the graph seems like this, the flow graph, and you select 3 to remove. Now the expression is changed like this. So A, BGIF, this is the expression, path expression, and at the end of this algorithm, we check is there any one node between entry node and exit node. This is the entry node and this is the exit node. Yes, there is only one node. So stop the algorithm. Stop the algorithm. Okay, now so this is the final path expression for this flow graph. Okay, I hope you all are understand. So path reduction algorithm. So thank you all. In tomorrow class, we are going to discuss about the next topic, applications. Okay, so thank you.